Welcome back to the log cabin renovation. My wife wanted me to share with you what we recently got and installed is the Stonemore Mailbox. This also holds our packages, which is really nice, and it secures them with a lock on the back of the unit. There is the mailbox, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. One, if we have any outgoing mail, we'll put the flag up, of course. We could pull this down and we could go ahead and put the letter right there. The mail carrier could put the letters in the slot right here, and if we get any packages, we can have those securely stored in the back over here. So there is a combination lock. We will open that up, and you can see the package lands nicely on this cushion here, and then our letters are all right in there. So that is the Stonemore Mailbox, and let me give you a little details on some of the other things that I did. One, we installed a concrete pad, so I poured that pad a little high compared to the road, and primarily so if we have any water washing down the road, it's not going to run under or up against the mailbox. The other thing I did is I added some washers. I think they're about 1/4 inch thick rubber washers, and I put those as legs underneath the mailbox. I think that would be great if it could come with that, because you don't want any moisture or anything resting under a metal box. It is pre-finished, so it's painted, but I just wanted to ensure that we had long-term ability for it not to rust or anything like that. So I did raise that off the ground. One of the other things that I'm having trouble with, and I think it's just something that I lost, but I'm not sure. When we go ahead and close this, I actually have to kick it shut, and I think I lost a washer. I need to raise this off the ground or off the frame a little bit, so that way it will actually shut more smoothly. The other tip that I would ask that you consider is make sure that you order this rain deflector. That's a separate part that we didn't know about. We may have missed it at the checkout or on the site. This is to shed the water away from the opening. I didn't have that on there initially, and our letters after the first rain had gotten wet. So my suggestion is make sure you order that at the time of your purchase. But other than those few things, we're really happy. We love the black and brown color. It goes really great with the log cabin, and hopefully if you're interested in securing your packages, go ahead and take a look at this. I'll put the actual model that we've purchased here in the description, and other than that, talk to you next time on the log cabin renovation.